Welcome back to Get Updated Now, and here we are trying to wash our clothes. So we are at Easy Clean Laundry. So Easy Clean Laundry is right here in Cameroon Highland in the center. Okay, now what we'll do first is get the token and then we'll continue with the process. So here we are at the coin changer. Now insert the note and press confirm and collect the coins. Simple. Here is our washer. The clothes are already in there, and now we have to add soap. So we'll add soap here, one, and I think I'll need one more. Another one, and softener is optional, so if you want you can add, or if you don't want you don't add. So this was almost ready to go, but then we thought we can use the softener as well. Just a little, and then you have to insert the coins. So 6, we are not using hot is 7, 6 I think warm is enough. So that will be like 6 coins, 6 tokens, so that is 6 ringgits for one wash, which will take around 30 minutes. And yeah, that's it. So we have to wait for 30 minutes and then we'll transfer the clothes to the dryer. Now from the machine we have transferred our clothes to the dryer, and we'll put the tokens here. So it's 5 tokens, and then it will be for 35 minutes.
High temperature and start.
So this one will take around 35 minutes, and then our clothes will be ready. It's almost done. 2 minutes left, and the drying is over. Now it's cooling down. Clothes are dry and warm, so they can be worn now, ready to wear. Here all the clothes are washed. Our laundry is ready. Thank you for watching.